Hey there, welcome back to video 4 in our 5 for 5 series on music marketing mindset. My name's Justin Smith, and if you haven't watched the previous 3 videos in this series, I recommend you go do that now. They're all pretty short, so you can go ahead and blast through them and come back to this one in just a few minutes. But they all kind of build on one another, so you'll get a lot more out of them if you watch them in order. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and tick the little bell icon to be notified when we release new videos to help you with your music marketing. So one of the things I touched on in the first video in this series is that while you should view yourself as a brand in terms of your style, your sound, what you stand for, and while you should view your music as a product, because that's where your income is going to come from, that doesn't mean that you should be trying to create music that you think other people are going to like. Now, it's not a bad thing to think about what others are going to like, but it's most important that you enjoy what you're doing, and that means making music that you love. Because whatever your music sounds like, I guarantee there's an audience out there for it. You just have to find them. And that's what today's video is about. So if you want to be a pop star and you have a record label backing you with millions of dollars, then yes, you're going to want to make music that has mass appeal. But what if you don't want to do that? And what if you don't have millions of dollars for advertising? What if you would rather create jazz-infused death metal? I say go for it, because with all the resources available to you now in the digital age, you can easily reach people that enjoy whatever style of music it is that you create. Back in the day, the only real way to get exposure for new artists was to spend thousands and thousands of dollars plastering them all over billboards and in radio, television, magazines, and then you just hope that people are going to hop on the bandwagon and make all of that advertising worthwhile. With the internet, it's no longer necessary. You can spend $5 a day on Facebook ads to promote your music just to a very small select audience that's most likely to like your music. Now, this is a mindset video, not a how-to video, so I'm not going to go through a step-by-step process of how to do that. If you do want to learn more about how you can use Facebook ad targeting to reach people that would really love to hear your music, I have some videos on this channel, which I'll link to in the video description. But as far as the mindset idea that I want to impart to you today in this video is that it's absolutely 100% unnecessary to try to create music because you think it will appeal to others. Your primary purpose for creating music should be to create something that you enjoy, because that's going to give you the most fulfillment, and because there's an audience out there that would love to hear it. And with the tools available to you now in this day and age, it's not difficult or expensive to reach that audience. So keep that in mind. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please leave a thumbs up and comment below. Again, if you want to learn how to use Facebook ads to reach your ideal fan, be sure to check out the link in the video description if you're on a mobile device, or just click the thumbnail over here somewhere if you're watching this on a computer. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the little bell icon to be notified when the next video is live. I'll see you guys next time.